Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the inner door glass on your stove. The reason why we would have to do this is because the glass is broken or cracked. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4" nut driver and a screwdriver with a VT15 star bit. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our oven door here. And what we need to do is lift up on these hinge clips here on both sides. And once we do that, we're going to close the door up as much as we can, and then we can lift it out and set it on the ground. Now we're going to start with the 2 screws on top. We're also going to get the washer that goes with it. And now I'll move the 3 bottom screws here. And now that we have all those screws out, we should be able to separate the 2 halves of the door. So now to get the glass out, what we have to do is remove this panel right here. And we've got these springs that are attached with screws on the other side. So we're going to get those screws off next. And now when we lift up this piece again, those hinges should stay in place. And we can just get those out of our way. Now I'm going to remove all the screws that are on the perimeter of this panel here. And now I can take the panel off. And now we can lift up this whole assembly here and take out the inner glass. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement inner door glass assembly, and if you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now we can put our new assembly in place here. Set that down, make sure it's nice and snug there. And now we'll put this panel back in place here as well. And we're going to get all the screw holes lined up. And once everything looks like it's lined up, we can screw it back into place. And now I'm going to put the hinge back into place. So that's going to just sit right there. And I'm going to lift up the door. And once you've got your holes lined up, screw it back into place. And we'll do the same thing with this hinge, pushing it through and lining up the holes and screwing it into place. So now I'm going to put the 2 halves of the door together, but before I do that, I want to stick in the longer screw on both sides. And I'm also going to put the spacer on both screws. And it should hold itself in place, just like that. And once those are in place, snap it back together. And we'll line up. And now on this side, we'll just use the hinge and pull up a little bit to line up those screw holes. And once we do that, screw it back in. And now that we've got everything screwed back together, we can put our door back on. So we're going to put the hinges into the holes right there, set it down, put our door all the way down, and then we'll push down the hinge clips on both sides. And now you can close up your oven door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.